Hello, bioLytical. We often hear the phrase, work hard, play hard here at work. I say, why not achieve both at the same time? And that's why I'm thrilled to announce the company's latest contest, which centers around our 5 core values. We believe these values define who we are and what we stand for as a company, and we like to recognize and celebrate team members who embody these core values as part of their everyday work. That's why we want to hear from you. Share your stories about how each of these core values have influenced your work or how you've embodied these values into your day-to-day tasks. We're sure that everyone has a story to tell, and we're very much excited to hear about it. The contest is open for the next 2 weeks, and submissions will be collected through People App. We're looking for stories that are creative, inspiring, and ones that truly capture the essence of our core values. The accepted formats could be in either video or written format. A video like this one should be no longer than 2 minutes, while the written passage should be no longer than 300 words. Remember, select one core value to talk about in your submission, meaning that you can make multiple entries. As a bonus, feel free to speak about how you feel about our culture. And for full details, feel free to read the full contest rules on our poster. All participants will be entered into a $150 gift card prize draw. In addition, 15 will be selected to make a professional company video showcasing their amazing stories. I did hear that these 15 will be rewarded through a boat cruise for their contributions. To conclude, our core values are at the foundation of our success. We encourage everyone to participate, and we can't wait to hear your stories of innovation, never say never, sensational work, taking ownership, and being inspired to excel. Thank you.